Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you my favorite face products that I'm using lately. I am carrying them in this Mini BFF bag from Jujube, and the print is Kawaii Carnival, and it's my favorite. First up is going to be hyaluronic acid serum from Good Molecules. This is the discoloration correcting serum, and also from Good Molecules, and it's awesome. That one's my favorite, I think. This is their vitamin C powder, and I mix this with the serums, but I don't use it every single day. This cream, I use it at night, and I think this one is from Dead Sea Minerals, and it's really nice. This peptide one I use on my forehead is for tiny wrinkles. This is the Saint moisturizer. I've been using it for a long time. The squalane oil is really good if you have dry skin. This is their toner. It is really nice, especially if you have sensitive skin. And this is their serum for like if you have large pores and such. This daily brightening serum, I use it every single day and I love it. And that was their oil, one of their oils. I can't remember which one though. Sorry. This I love. This is their yerba mate wake up gel for your eyes, and this is just another hyaluronic acid but for your eyes as well. And of course chapstick, because you always need chapsticks. So yeah, this is what I've been using. This is not a sponsored video or anything, so I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. And look how much fits into this little bag. I'm gonna do it backwards now so you can see how much actually fits in and I could fit a lot more, which is why I love this Mini BFF bag. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and let me know if you like this video. I will make more videos like this because I have fun making it, and these are just, fun videos to make. So let me know, and yeah, have a good day.